How to minimize YouTube on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on how to minimize YouTube on Android devices. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. So in order to minimize YouTube on your Android device, first of all, you have to enable the picture mode. So for that, you can tap and hold YouTube application and then tap I button. This will take you to the app info section of YouTube. Scroll down, tap picture in picture and make sure to enable this button. If it is toggled off in this way, tap on the button to toggle it on. Once you toggle the button on, this will allow this app to create a picture in picture windows while the app is open or after you leave it. For example, to continue watching a video, this window will be displayed on top of other apps you are using. Once you do that, exit from the section and open YouTube. Open any particular video on your YouTube that you want to minimize on Android. So you need to make aware about this, or you need to be aware that nowadays most of the Android devices are not able to minimize YouTube on their Android devices. So if this feature has been applicable on your device, then only you'll be able to minimize YouTube on Android, otherwise not. For example, after enabling PiP mode, you need to open any YouTube video, and after that, you need to simply tap on the center button in this way. If it is being minimized, then that is applicable on your device. Otherwise, on my device, it is not available right now. So once it is available, then only you'll be able to minimize YouTube on Android. But the process was that only to minimize YouTube on Android. If that is available, you can easily minimize YouTube on Android and watch the videos. So that is it. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching.